Pablo Picasso is often quoted as saying, good artists copy, great artists steal. Hello, today I would like to reassure a few of you who asked me, is it considered cheating to use reference images? The answer is no. Going back to Picasso's infamous quote, so what did the man really mean by that? What I think Picasso really meant was that to create great art, there is no shame in looking at the work of others. The goal then is not to imitate, but rather to transform something you have seen into something new, using your own unique interpretation and style. This is what we call getting inspired. Now let me show you how I created this Chibi Geisha to give you a good example. First, I did some research and gathered a bunch of pictures. Then I did a quick triage and kept the only images that would really help me create my project. This fan here was my inspiration to create the sun that you see in the background. Looking at these umbrellas made me want to add flowers to mine. However, when I started to paint my own version of a Japanese umbrella, I decided to only add a few flowers on the very top, not the sides, and I added a yellow ring. Finally, my geisha hairstyle was inspired by these two photos. My only challenge was to adapt the rather strict and serious hairdo of the geisha and make it a cute chibi cartoon style. And that's all for today. Next time we will talk about merging layers versus flattening layers. Thank you for watching. Au revoir et à bientôt.